What a giant is our America. Her many communities sprawl across the land, thriving, changing, removed from one another, yet all bound together as we talk to each other over vast communication systems and move along great arteries of transportation. One vast community is the USA. The life force throbs along her veins. And as her traffic moves, her resources move from where they are to where she needs them. She needs a lot of things from many places. And what gets them rolling is often just a word. A message spoken far away may start an ore boat moving down from Minnesota. A few words can put in action the chemical forces of an oil refinery. In busy San Francisco, a spoken sentence may bring people from New York, or start freight rolling in Detroit or in St. Louis. Swift is the transport of our goods across the continent, but swifter is the movement of ideas. The messages race across the country, through wires overhead, by cable underground, and without the aid of wires, by microwave, beamed from relay towers. Back and forth the sounds go, through complex switches and relays, in a crisscrossing network of conversations, until the nerves of our America tingle with the impulses that set her giant muscles into motion. To stimulate these nerves, all you need to do is take a moment out to make a phone call, anywhere. And somewhere you get a connection. You get an answer. But what about the instrument that captures your briefly spoken word? What about the instrument that reproduces it so faithfully? The telephone is so near at hand, so easy to use, so commonplace. It looks so simple, but is it really so simple? Actually, the telephone is a complex electronic instrument made to transmit and reproduce your voice faithfully. In it are nearly 500 separate parts that work together smoothly to become the casual carrier of your conversation. But the problem is not how to make all these parts into a telephone. The problem is to produce thousands of telephones every day, quickly, carefully, economically. An everyday job at Western Electric, where telephones are manufactured for the Bell system. First, raw materials are transformed into all the parts needed. Many operations go on at the same time as the sturdy components take shape. Some of the parts require special heat treating, like these magnets. Other parts must be machined to precise tolerances, like these dial gears. These tiny parts look like gold, and indeed gold covers them. Costly? Yes, but economical, because this plating process ensures the best performance of these parts in your telephone transmitter. Wire coils for the mechanism that rings the bell on your telephone must be wound to an exact number of turns and then wound again and again. You would know these shapes anywhere. They're parts of the telephone familiar to the touch and to the eye. But before plastic parts can be molded in these huge machines, it took 6 months to make the dies to the exacting measurements required. From other machines come handset handles in color into the plastic forever. Familiar too is the shape of the telephone housing. Simple parts become important sub-assemblies, such as governors for telephone dials. Other parts make up a network, a complex assembly of miniature components needed in every telephone. This automatic machine tests and classifies every unit. In this operation, receiver assemblies are magnetized. Then, on they move through their own turnstiles to that large, busy area where the transmitter-receiver unit is assembled. As the components are put together here, they seem to come to life in that vital part of the telephone which speaks while you listen and hears when you talk. After this unit has been tested, it is an instrument which will faithfully transmit and reproduce your voice. All the while, other parts are coming together to make up the base of the telephone. In still another area, the dial assembly is put together. More and more calls to more distant places are made every day with this device. The familiar dial, when completed, will contain 90 individual parts. After final inspection and adjustment, the completed dials are placed on the ever-present conveyor system, which, dipping and curving throughout the plant, is almost 3 miles long. Serving as a huge storage system for parts and assemblies, the conveyor brings the work to the place where it is needed, eventually leading to the final assembly area, the culmination of the plant's efforts, where the telephone becomes a reality. All along the way, some very important qualities have been built into the telephone, qualities that cannot be measured by meters or instruments. Parts do not possess skill. Assemblies do not have patience, responsibility, and pride. Only people have these qualities. People who understand how to do the job. People who care how well it is done. And when all the separate parts have become a telephone, when millions of parts have become thousands of telephone instruments, each one carries a name which means that the people who are Western Electric guarantee it will do its job wherever it goes. Wherever the telephone goes, its job is to carry your voice wherever you are. Its job is to add to the value of every other telephone, to look handsome, to be useful, and to perform many specialized tasks, to be on hand outdoors year-round, to be where emergencies are, to voice directions from shore to ship and from ship to shore. The telephone can keep you in touch when you're on the move. It can free your hands to work while you talk. By its illuminated dial, it can help you make a call in the dark. Wherever the entertainment of America goes on, or the work of America is done, telephones will be there, working together to bring people together. Sometimes the job of the telephone is just to make it fun to be alive. This is important too. For growing together, living and working together while making conversation. This is the way we build a great America.